How to make original, peasant-style Greek salad. Ingredients: 2 large firm tomatoes, 1 medium cucumber, 2 small red onions, 7 ounces of feta, 1 tablespoon of caper, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 large green bell pepper, 1 small chili pepper, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon wine vinegar, 1 handful black olives, 1 teaspoon salt. Wash your vegetables thoroughly for at least 1 minute under cold water. Cut your tomatoes in big chunky pieces. Cut your feta into small cubes and add it in a large bowl with the tomatoes, and do not mix anything unless all ingredients are added. Slice your cucumber, with the peel, into thick whole pieces and add it to the bowl. Cut the green pepper into thick rings seedless and add them. Finely chop the chili and put it in the bowl too. Add the 2 onions cut into thin rings. Finally add the caper, black olives, olive oil, wine vinegar, salt and oregano. Mix everything gently and chill in the fridge for at least 10 minutes before serving. People here in Greece used to take the ingredients of the salad separately, fold it inside a piece of cloth, bring it in the fields they worked and eat it during lunch break. This is the origin of the authentic Greek salad recipe.